Welcome to another segment provided by Technical Option Traders Inc. I hope you guys are having a great weekend. Today I'm just going to talk about what happened to the markets over the past week and what I think will happen going into the future. Keep in mind, this is not investment advice, so please do your research before you make any kind of investment decisions. So today I'm going to start with SPY. S&P 500 is doing really well so far. I got above this 423 level that, as I've been mentioning, it's holding this level pretty well. We can get a little bit of a consolidation here and then maybe before continuing upwards, but so far S&P looks very bullish here. RSI is decent, it's moving up slowly. MACD is still flat, but so far everything's pointing towards a higher move coming in the S&P. This volume shelf here was the launch pad and they held up really well. And as you guys can see that, and this is volume by price. And as long as this level holds, which is 416, which is my first target, I think we should be pretty fine going forward. We could have a little bit of a downtake, but for me to get really bearish here or play the downside on the S&P, as I mentioned before as well, this trend line has to break, and then the break of the support at 416 is imperative. And then the break of the red trend line as well, which has been holding since April. So I'm going to watch these levels, and then break of 410 would also be a really big level as well for a downside move, but we'll wait and see what happens. But so far everything is very bullish. Now going over to the triple Qs, tech, it finally looks like it's waking up. It's going to have a nice little push higher here. My big target was 340. It's above it right now. I'm looking for 342 to get to 348 here. We can get a little bit of a consolidation here. If it doesn't get past 342 successfully and hold it, it can retest support at 336, 335 level. But so far it's okay. It's showing a good strength, and hopefully we can see this continuing into tech, as tech has been in consolidation for a long time now. Okay, so going over to IWM. IWM, like I said, it's been forming a kind of a flag pattern here. We could see they did consolidate, as I did mention before. We could see a consolidation. It's consolidating here, testing the upper line here, which is the downtrend line on a small scale. If this breaks this, we can see 235 very soon. This is a very bullish pattern, so wait for this break with volume and confirmation, and we should be good. RSI did break this trend line that I have, but still very bullish in the RSI. MACD still pointing upwards. So far small caps are looking to lead. Okay, so the other one I'm going to talk about today is gold. Gold is decent. Gold is consolidating after touching the 180 target here. It's still holding this interim trend line, which is positive. We could see a test of support at 175, then going to 172, but we'll see if it does do that. Break of this trend line, yes, we can test a 170, 172 level, but so far the trend line's holding. We can see a pushback. We'll see what happens going into the next week, but so far in gold, everything is pointing on the up and up. So next week should be a bullish week. We'll see what happens, but keep your stops tight, trade smart. Hope you guys found this video informative.